everyone. We're going to take a quick peek of the chili cook-off here before it gets started. Yeah, say welcome to our channel. Daily Life in the Smokies. Yeah. Okay. Tell everybody to like and subscribe. And let's get ready to get this chili thing kicked off. What do you think? Yeah. Are you ready, Mama? Okay. So here's the early look of the chili cook-off tonight. Everybody getting set up out here. Here's the GATLINBURG'S Police Department here. You guys gonna win the chili tonight?
We hope.
We'll see.
Is it meaty?
Not up to us.
It is.
As long as it's meaty, we'll give you all the tokens.
There we go. We'll hold you to it.
Okay. WVLT Channel 8 here cooking this year. Well, where's the live band?
I like the way you sparkling against your skin.
Even got some chili cook-off t-shirts this year, long sleeve.
I know you won't let me down.
There's where Bush Baked Beans is going to be at, and the newscast set up over here. And the E-Hall Brewing Company over here. All right, we're in VIPs. First booth is going to be Denton Digger Chili. We're going to try this one out here. We even got the Margaritaville chili. I didn't like that one too much last year. Maybe they changed it a little bit this year. Spruced it up a little bit. Are you ready? They don't look like you're ready. You can't have that. So sad.
I got some birthday beans with pork. That's a traditional style. They're $2.40. Okay, you get 3 cups.
I'm having a hard time getting them apart.
They're they're paper. Sure. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
How's the chili, my dear?
Well, the very first one was really, really good. Someone's been okay. This was okay.
Okay. And that's from Jimmy's Brisket and Chili there.
Yes, it's actually good.
So Naomi, you enjoying your chili cook-off so far? You ate all of it. Oh, you're eating chips now, huh? Yeah, and you had peanut butter and jelly with yours, didn't you? Yeah. I didn't get none. That ain't fair. Mama didn't fix us one. I need peanut butter and jelly to go with my chili. Boy, that chip contest wins it all right there. You make the best chips, Naomi. You're welcome. Now they are letting us in. It's a trampede here. It's a big stampede. We're going to head up to the Margaritaville chili now. Margaritaville Resort. And then we got the Paco Loco Mexican chili next door. And then we got the Corner Diner chili. I like their chili at the Corner Diner. Eating that Margaritaville Resort chili now. How'd you like it, Naomi? Oh, you didn't like it? Ugh. Say nasty, Mom. I bet they ain't getting a chip, are they? What'd you think about it, Mom?
It's okay to me.
Is it? Well, Naomi's not giving no chips. She's not giving no chips for that one. You're not voting for that chili, Naomi? No? Now we're heading to the corner diner's chili. Mmm, chili, baby. Give me some chili. We're hard at it here at the corner diner.
And you have some hot Cheeto grilled cheese that's going to go with it. We're just getting going behind. We're running behind. So come back to
Oh, we can come right back to this one then. Yeah. There's the hillbilly cooking again.
Absolutely.
Once again, huh?
We did something a little bit different this year. I don't like doing the same old all the time, so.
Well, here's one of my cards for our YouTube channel here in Smokies too.
All right, well,
Yeah, we follow you, brother.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But you'll definitely get our vote. Well, how you like the hillbilly chicken?
I like it.
You like it? Okay. Hillbilly done a good job of getting this year. What do you think, Naomi? Was it good?
She didn't try it.
You didn't try it? No. So this is the bee company over here. Pennsylvania Bee Company. That's your song. Hey, we got the Ripley's Aquarium chili over here. We'll get in a minute. And we got the GATLINBURG'S Fire Association here. So how you like the firefighters chili?
It's good.
It's good and meaty, isn't it?
Yeah, this is good.
Good and thick and hearty. I think the next place we're heading to is going to be the GATLINBURG Police Department here. So we'll give them a shout out, see how their chili's. So here's the chili here. I guess we got hot sauce to go with it.
How y'all doing?
Doing good. So what'd you think about the police department chili? Yeah, it looks really good. I had a little bit of hot sauce. It's kind of sweet hot sauce, but it's really good. We'll be. Yeah, this is the first chili that had noodles. I guess the news station's going to be next when we finish this chili up. Channel 8 News. So here's the next one. News Station 8 right here. We're going to get some of their chili here. Check it out while you're stirring it around here. Real good. Good and steamy.
You ready? Just a little bit. Half. Good? It's hot. Let me do it. I don't want you to burn yourself.
So what do you think about Channel 8's chili?
It's not bad.
Not bad?
It's okay.
Let me see it. All right, so that's Channel 8's chili. Good and thick.
Well, it's kind of soupy. It's not real meaty.
So it's kind of soupy?
Yeah, it's not real meaty.
Okay. So we're getting ready to try the Fat Bear food truck next. Oh, it's good because this has been the longest line at any of them. Big long line. Hopefully got some chicken nuggets. I want some chicken nuggets. Hamburger patty.
Big Mac or something.
A Big Mac or something. Sorry about that. My phone got bounced around, but I'm eating too much chili. That's what's wrong with me. So Naomi, what do you think about this chili stuff? All you care about is them Christmas lights? Or are you having fun at the chili cook-off in Gatlinburg?
Yeah, but I want to dance.
You want to dance? She wants to dance. She wants to dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. You want to dance?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what? We all love you. Are you a Christmas tree now? Are you a Christmas tree? Nah. Got another one? Okay, we're getting 4 of them, guys.
All right, we appreciate that. Thank you.
I told you I'd take care of you.
You did, yeah.
All right.
Appreciate it.
You guys
Appreciate
have a
it.
blessed one.
Thanks.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hey, you too. Hi. How are you?
Not bad.
What?
Don't look, Jesus.
I like it with it.
Yeah, she's gonna take chips out.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, thank you again.
Have a good spot.
Thank you. Did you get?
Hey, looky here, we got the GATLINBURG'S husky over there. Talking on his phone, I guarantee he's live. Very great guy right there. One of the best YouTubers here in the Smoky Mountains. I have 2 of them.
2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we got here is some chilies covered with goldfish. Because we are after all the aquarium, gonna have some fish up in there.
Okay.
And those spoons I gave you, those are edible oregano flavored spoons.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I was a major before I
You want to?
If we both had another
And Winterfest is underway. Go enjoy the lights. Enjoy the rest of the chili. Thanks to the city for joining us up here tonight for that. You all enjoy your night. Be careful. I'll see you soon.
This is such a generic answer. It's a very PR manager answer. But it's just the atmosphere, you know. And of course, you have the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and you really do feel like you're in a Hallmark movie when these 1 million LED twinkle lights come on after these sparklers go off.
And there we go. Just a second. Of course, we're waiting for the countdown. Here, we're getting tossed in right now. So we're going to pause for TV and take it live to the WDLT network. Here we go. I can hear you. Let's go.
Here we go. Philip here in Odin.
Greetings, chopsticks.
Oh, Merry Christmas to all. And to all.
A good night.
We're out here walking the strip now after the chili cook-off. It's still going on back there, but we had to get away from it. It's so crazy busy back there. So now we're heading down to the little village here. So Naomi can use the restroom back here. So the shopping experience of a lifetime here. Got it all decorated for Christmas. First night of the Christmas lights, guys. Just walking, just a talking. I'm a walking right next to me. Got a Christmas sleigh. Oh yeah. Well, I guess we came to the end of the chili cook-off tonight, didn't we? As you're burping, say excuse me. All right. Well, the chili cook-off was really great tonight, wasn't it?
Yeah, but
We ain't we doing it no more. Oh, because we're walking back to the truck? No, yeah, or Jeep. Yeah, we'll back to the Jeep here. We're at the parking garage.
maybe have the PJ Masks monsters.
You think so?
Yeah. It's called PJ Masks monsters.
PJ Masks Monsters. Okay, well, tell everybody to share,
Share,
like,
like your hair.
and subscribe.
Oh no.
Hey.
No.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And leave a comment.
And leave the comment.
And until the next time,
Until the next time.
we love you guys.
We love you guys until we see you in the morning.
Amen. Say love y'all.
Love y'all.
And God bless.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Are we gonna have everybody on here again in the morning?
We might. But tell everybody God bless and thanks for watching.